Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to download your Instagram Reel videos from Instagram on an Android phone. This is really useful if you want to keep a copy of those videos on your phone and share it on other social media platforms. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to download it via an app, as I feel it's quite straightforward and does not show many ads. So let's go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Now go to your profile and then open up the Reel tab. Select your video and then tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Select copy link. Now press the home button and then go to your Play Store. Search for Video Downloader for Instagram and download it. Once installation is complete, open the app. Once the app opens up, it will automatically detect your copied link from the clipboard and start to download the video. If not, then tap on the Instagram tab at the bottom and then paste your link in the field at the top of the screen and then press download. Once the download completes, press the home button and then go to your gallery to see your downloaded Instagram Reel video. And there you go guys. And there you go guys, that is how to download Instagram Reel videos from Instagram. Hope this video has been helpful to some. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more social media videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.